Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have a mask to try. These masks are from Hada Labo. They have sent me 3 variants here. Kotojyun Mask. I don't know what is Kotojyun, to be honest. They say that these are like high penetrating serum masks infused with 5 types of hyaluronic acid. Ooh, it really depends because like this one, this fancier version, the gold one, has 5 types of hyaluronic acid, while the other types here, the bluer one, they have only 4 types of hyaluronic acid because this is supposed to be meant to be super premium moist type of variant. Seems like the ingredients they have here is quite different, but Kotojyun Mask is supposed to be like very comfortable and extremely breathable type of mask sheet. It's made from a fiber that is derived naturally from plants that's breathable and comfortable. Skin friendly coupled with innovative 3-dimensional sheets that perfectly fits onto the face to allow deep penetration of the serum into the skin. So I guess that's the main feature of this Kotojyun mask, and they are all supposed to be skin pH balanced, low irritation, free of alcohol, fragrance, colorant, and mineral oil. The directions actually do recommend before using this mask, you apply some hydrating lotion after cleansing the face. The 3 variant that I have here is the Premium Moist. This is the one that I'll be trying out today. And then they have Deep Whitening. I probably won't try this. I usually will just give this away. Usually anything that's whitening, I kind of just give it away. And then I have also the Instant Hydrating one, which I probably will use this in another day. I've already cleansed my face, and since they recommend to use the hydrating lotion before the mask, I have the hydrating lotion, and I actually apparently have the newer formula one. This one is supposed to have 4-HA, ceramide, and amino acid. I really like the fact that they actually added ceramide in here now because my skin really do enjoy ceramide. I really like using this hydrating lotion lately. This is the OG one, the original one, as in like the, I guess, normal to dry skin type one. They also have one that's a lighter version that's made for oily skin type people, oily to normal skin type people, and I believe they also do have one that's a richer one that's made for super dry skin type people. I used to really enjoy this when my skin wasn't as dry as I am right now. Basically, I really used to just be able to get away with skincare by just using this alone without needing to use moisturizer. It's just that now that my skin is a little bit older, so just using this alone right now I cannot. I need to kind of pat it in and make sure that it's absorbed, and then I will definitely need to top up with a moisturizer. Currently in the phase where I am like testing out using like essence and serum like back into my skincare routine. So far that I've been using this for about past 2 months or so, this still works well. It's just that I, you know, depending on your skin type, my skin right now still like this. It didn't cause any irritation on my skin. The only thing is that I need to top up with a moisturizer after using this lotion. This hydrating lotion is, you know, you will feel like it is a little bit sticky, you know, after massaging it in, but after a while right now it still does kind of leave that glow on the skin, but it's actually no longer sticky anymore compared to just now. Now it's literally just no longer sticky. I mean, it could be also just my dry skin type, so that's why for me I feel like this is just not enough because it kind of just dries off. Like I don't feel that protection as much as I used to anymore. That's just my journey with the hydrating lotion recently. Okay, let's move on to the Premium Moist mask. Putting it on right now, it just seems like the mask, it's a little bit more on the thinner side. Like mask sheet is actually quite thin as compared to regular mask sheet or the traditional mask sheet that we all know. And also it seems like the fitting is actually quite well on my face. The fact that it is still quite close towards my nose corners here, I think that is pretty good already, because a lot of times I can't even get it this close to the corners of the nose, and it sticks really well. Like I really do think that it sticks really well. It doesn't feel like it's gonna drop anytime soon. I think you can actually get away with just, you know, sitting up and doing your work after this, or even housework after this. It's up to you. I didn't feel any sort of irritation, no the usual irritation on my skin. Usually I get like slight irritation when I first apply on like mask sheet, around like this area, the cheek area, maybe around the lips area as well. But this time around with this mask, there's no any sort of discomfort at all. There's no any sort of irritation. There's no itch or stinginess in any area of my face at all, and that is amazing. I actually am very surprised. It also feels very nice, very comfortable. The serum actually do feel quite like the hydrating lotion a little bit. It's about that sort of consistency, no smell at all, literally no particular fragrance at all, which is fantastic. I love that these days people are like starting to, or at least bigger brands are starting to really make skincare that is fragranceless. For now, I'm just gonna go and do my shit so that I can prepare for work. It's actually super early in the morning right now. I will come back in about 10 to 15 minutes time. This actually took a while to even partially dry. Right now it's about 20 to 25 minutes and I can still feel the sides here is still quite damp. Not really wet, more of like damp. I think this mask actually can last quite long. I'm not even kidding, this sheet really feels super comfortable on the skin. I'm really starting to like mask sheets that are just this thin, like super light weight, and you know, it don't feel so heavy on the face, and you still can sit up and do work or whatever it is that you want to do. Just gonna massage the excess of the essence into the skin. Feels really nice. It really is very moisturizing. I do feel like it has even penetrated deep within my skin. Like I can feel like the moisture or hydration from within as well. Like it's not just on the surface layer of my face. As usual, I would expect with this kind of moisture rich or premium moisture kind of mask, it will feel a little sticky at first, but I think more importantly, because it's Hada Labo, usually it the stickiness kind of goes away after a while. It does feel like very sticky. So if let's say I use this for nighttime before I go to bed, this would have been perfect, to be honest. This is very nice. I really like it. It really just makes my skin feel so thoroughly hydrated and moisturized. So I guess after a while it is less sticky, so it's not bad. Yeah, so which means that the stickiness do kind of go away, so you're just gonna keep patting it or tapping it until it starts to smooth out. But because this is a mask, you still can feel that sort of lotiony kind of feeling on the surface of the skin, which is fine for me. It's nothing too oily or even sticky. It just feels like it's has a bit of that moisture layer on the surface of the skin, which is perfect for dry skin type people like me. I really like this mask. I think overall this is a fantastic mask for dry skin type people, specifically this variant. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe!